The Bunny and a Bird. There was a bunny in the forest. She was so kind you can tell her anything you want. And one day the bunny met a bird.
Hi, Bunny. I am Mr. Kai.
Oh, hi, Mr. Kai. I am Miss Daisy.
Do you want to go at my house later at 6 p.m.?
Sure, I love to come.
Guys, this is
Daisy.
Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. I am Mr. Brown. Hi, everyone.
So, Daisy, what do you do at home?
I sell books and I make stories. After they all ate, Miss Daisy went home and Mr. Bear and his kid.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Then Daisy went to sleep and the others. The end. Goodbye. Written by Riches and Skylar Baral.